Hi, welcome to the overview of metric stores in TIBCO Business Events. In this video, we will look at the metric stores, visualization tools, and their configurations. Before we begin, let's understand what metric stores are. Metric stores hold the application metric data generated by TIBCO Business Events applications. These metrics can be from TIBCO Business Events entities like concepts, events, and scorecards. The stored metric data helps you better understand the processing of events inside your application by drawing insights on real-time dashboards. TIBCO Business Events supports both open source and TIBCO's in-house options for metric stores, monitoring and visualization. You can use the open source InfluxDB or TIBCO LiveView server as metric stores. These metric stores can then provide metrics data to visualization software like Grafana and TIBCO LiveView Web. We will see how to configure the Influx metric store first, and then we'll look at the TIBCO LiveView server. Before you add each of these as metric stores, configure the InfluxDB server or TIBCO LiveView server as per your requirements. Also ensure that you have configured object management for your project. Starting with InfluxDB, the first step is to configure the Influx metric store in the CDD editor in TIBCO Business Events Studio. In the CDD editor entity configuration section, you can add the entities that you want to generate metrics for. You can also use specific filters to filter data using a rule function that takes the entity as input and returns a Boolean. When your application runs, the configured entities are published to InfluxDB as they are created and updated. The data stored in InfluxDB can be used to build your own application dashboards using visualization software like Grafana. Similarly, you can configure your TIBCO Business Events applications to publish metrics to the TIBCO LiveView server. Configure the inference agent to connect your application to TIBCO LiveView server using the CDD editor in TIBCO Business Events Studio. Then specify the entities to be published. You can also configure filters for these entities. This will then publish metrics to the TIBCO LiveView server metric store. You can then configure the TIBCO LiveView web dashboard as you like to visualize the metrics. For more information about metric store configuration, see our documentation at docs.tibco.com. Thanks for watching.